Do you ever feel like your resume is just a drop in the ocean? Like you're lost in a sea of countless job seekers that are all clawing for that same golden ticket for an interview? That ends today. Welcome to Learn AI School. We created this channel to bridge the gap between you and the AI revolution. Whether it's personal finance, career development, business, or personal development, there's tons of new AI tools coming out every single day. And I'm here to help you better understand how you can leverage those AI tools in multiple areas of your personal and professional life. Today, we're going to talk about the secrets of the resume game. We're going to start by talking about the best practices of what employers are actually looking for in a resume. Then, we're going to dive headfirst into the top 3 AI-powered resume builders. These tools are complete game changers, making the task of resume writing extremely easy, efficient, and quick. So let's dive into the world of resume creation. It's a world where what you say and what you don't say both echo loudly. So let me briefly walk you through this and show you the paths to take and the pits to dodge. Welcome to the essentials of resume crafting. It's a delicate balance of what to say and what not to. Let's quickly navigate through the do's and don'ts, guiding you to make a resume not just good, but outstanding. Think of your resume as the framework of your professional story. A clear structure is key. Use headings, bullet points, and white space to avoid a cluttered, chaotic look. A well-organized resume instantly stands out. Generic resumes fade into the background, so tailor yours to each job, making it relevant and remarkable. This is where most people fail. Let's be honest, it's time-consuming to tailor your resume to every single job that you apply to, and that's where the AI tools that we're going to cover later in this video are extremely helpful. It's the difference between a resume that gets noticed and another one that just doesn't. Make sure you're showcasing achievements and not just duties. For example, boosted sales by 30% is impactful, whereas handled sales duties is forgettable. Employers skim for highlights, so make yours shine. Your resume's design is its first impression. Aim for a clean, professional look. Avoid confusing designs, because they can make your resume a quick reject. Luckily, in this day and age, many tools have these best practices embedded in their code, simplifying your job. But understanding the basics is crucial, especially if you want to use AI to your advantage. You're gonna have to know what makes a resume effective. Now, let's cut to the chase. I searched for a lot of different AI tools in the creation of this video, and I came down to 3 that are the top winners. In addition, they're free, easy to use, and extremely effective. On top of that, I'm gonna end this video with a live walkthrough of my 3rd pick, so stay tuned for that. Tool number 1, Teal. Imagine a resume builder that smoothens the journey from start to finish. That's Teal. It keeps things super simple with a variety of templates and real-time previews. Out of all of them, this one's probably the easiest one to use. It's hassle-free and easy to use for those who value simplicity and ease. The downside, though, is that it doesn't delve into the intricacies of more complex resume builders. So let's look at number 2, Rezi. Rezi is your secret weapon against application tracking systems. Now, if you didn't know, application tracking systems, or ATS, is a software that recruiters and hiring managers use to track applicants. So what makes Rezi special is that this tool is all about beating the bots. It's tailored for ATS optimization, offering real-time feedback and the ability to import your LinkedIn profile. But the catch is that it demands a bit more effort to master its full potential. It's a lot more complex than something like Teal. Bottom line for Rezi is that it's ideal for those that are ready to strategize and conquer the digital job market if they're willing to put in a little bit of effort to master the tool. And now for the main event. Our 3rd tool is Kick Resume, and this is where things really heat up. Kick Resume is a tool that's revolutionizing the way that we approach resumes. Kick Resume stands out because it's not just a resume builder, but it's powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 API. That means that using the power of AI, you can easily output really high quality resumes. This makes it super easy to tailor resumes to each position using AI. Here we are on the Kick Resume homepage. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and straightforward it is. There's no clutter, there's no confusing menus. We're just here to build a resume, and Kick Resume makes sure that it's easy to jump into. So let's click on Create My Resume. Watch how simple this is. The AI bot here is about to become your new best friend in resume building. It asks you just a couple of questions to get the ball rolling, your name and your most recent job title. And just like that, we've laid out the foundation for our resume, and that's the power of AI at work. So now we're going to see the next step on how Kick Resume uses this information to generate a first draft of our resume. Step 2, first draft generation. We're now going to select a template and then witness some AI wizardry in action. This is where Kick Resume takes those initial responses, your name and recent job title, and starts spinning its gears. And just like that, Kick Resume has generated a first draft of our resume. The AI uses the simple details we provided to build out the core section of the resume: experience, education, skills, all of it laid out neatly in the template that we chose. As we scroll through this first draft, you'll notice how each section is already well structured. The AI laid out the groundwork, and it's done a pretty impressive job. It's important to remember though that this is just a starting point. The real power lies in how we can build on this, customize it, and truly make it our own. So that's our first draft, courtesy of Kick Resume's AI. Now let's dive into how we can use and customize and add our own personal touches to this first draft. Step 3, customizing the resume. So Kick Resume's AI is great at generating outlines, but it's not here to do all of the heavy lifting. It's important to make sure that you give your resume a personal touch. So let's dive into customizing the first draft. So every part of the resume, work experience, education, skills, it's all laid out for easy edit. You just click on a section and you can start fine-tuning. You'll notice that the changes take effect in real time on the resume preview to the right. It's pretty cool. As we're exploring these features though, let's address the elephant in the room. Kick Resume is what we call freemium, meaning that there's a lot of that it offers for free, but there is a paywall for some of their premium features. Now, to download the full-fledged version of your resume, you need to hop on their paid plan, but there's a workaround for those on the free plan. The AI has already done a fantastic job creating content for each section. You can easily copy this content into a Google Doc or another free template on Canva, for instance. So if you're looking to save some money, it's an extra step, but you're still leveraging top-notch AI for the core of your resume. And let's not forget the other tools on offer, like the AI-powered analysis and job interview questions. Some of these are behind a paywall too, but they're worth considering if you're looking for that extra edge. In short, Kick Resume gives you a solid foundation with its AI-generated draft and a playground of customization options. The decision to go free or paid really just depends on your needs, but overall, you're still able to use Kick Resume to generate really great outlines for your resume and customize them for each job submission. Step 4, finalizing and sharing the resume. So now that our resume is finely tuned and dressed up, it's time to cross the T's and dot the I's. Finalizing your resume on Kick Resume is like giving your story the perfect ending. So let's wrap up our masterpiece. First, give your resume one last review. Check for any typos, alignment issues, or last-minute tweaks that you might want to add. Kick Resume also offers a professional proofreading service, but I'd only use that if you're applying for a super high-level role. Once you're confident that your resume is ready, it's time to think about getting it out there. Now, here's where you decide to download or not to download. If you're on the paid plan, you can download your resume directly from here in various formats. For those on the free plan, don't forget the workaround we discussed. You can still use all the valuable content you just created and polished here. Just copy it and give it a new home in a format of your choosing. It's a bit more hands-on, but hey, it's just about making the tool work for you, not the other way around. And there you have it, a journey through creating a resume with Kick Resume, from AI-driven drafting to your final touches. Whether you choose the simplicity of the free version or the full suite of the paid plan, you're now equipped to build a resume that tells your story in the best light. Whether you're starting from scratch or giving your resume a much-needed facelift, remember that it's more than just a document. It's the story of your professional life. Tools like Kick Resume with their AI prowess make it easier than ever to tell that story compellingly. Make sure to check the description of this video to find links to all of these tools. If you found this guide helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights into how to use AI in different aspects of your life. We've got a lot of awesome videos lined up for you that are going to help teach you more about AI and how to use it to revolutionize your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.